The 2025 Toyota GR Corolla is back, but this time with an automatic transmission and even more torque. What's good, guys? Welcome back to Ron's Rise. Welcome back to the channel, and welcome back to another video where we knew it was coming, and it is here, the 2025 Toyota GR Corolla. And as recent rumors had suggested, the most significant update is the inclusion of an 8-speed automatic transmission, a move that should help broaden the appeal of the potent hot hatch. Now, the 8-speed, known as the Gazoo Racing Direct Automatic Transmission, or DAT, is that the same one that was added of the GR Yaris range earlier this year. Now, a key difference between this gearbox and those found on the GR Supra and GR86 is that rather than basing this shifts off of the deceleration G-force and the speed, the DAT senses brake and accelerator inputs to make the perfect change. Now, interestingly, the transmission has very similar ratios to the standard 6-speed manual and has its own dedicated cooler. Now, Toyota will also offer a sub-radiator for additional cooling as an option on premium models and standard equipment on Premium Plus versions. Now, other upgrades have been made to boost performance. The most obvious is an increase of torque from 273 pound-feet to 295 pound-feet, 400 newton meters, while the same 300 horsepower has been retained from the highly strung 1.6 liter turbocharged 3-cylinder. Now, a launch control system is also standard on DAT models, although Toyota hasn't said how quickly it can hit 60 miles per hour, 96 kilometers. Now, Toyota's engineers have improved the handling of the hatch too. New rebound springs have been added to the front and rear suspension to reduce inner wheel lift, while optimizations have been made to the rear coils and stabilizers. Now, the trailing arm mounting point has also been moved to reduce squat under acceleration. Front and rear Torsen limited slip differentials, or LSD, will be standard on all 2025 models. And some moderate visual changes have been also made, including the redesigned front bumper that improves cooling, and the new fascia incorporates large brake ducts, while the air curtains have been added to draw air out from the top of the tire. Now, the interior is much the same, but does get new pieces of trim. Now, 3 versions will be sold here in the US, where the GR Corolla Core, the GR Corolla Premium, and GR Corolla Premium Plus are found. Key features exclusive to the Premium Plus include a forged carbon fiber roof, a custom hood, sub-radiator, matte black wheels, head-up display, and GR branded suede seats. But pricing details have yet to be announced. But with that said, what do you guys think about the new GR Corolla? And are you excited about the automatic, or just, hey, give me the manual? I want the 6-speed, all right? I'll keep that. And drop those comments down below. Now, if you guys did enjoy the video today, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Also, make sure you check the links in the description if you want to help further support the channel. Click the notification bell so you don't miss one video. And with that said, we will talk to you guys in the next one. Peace.